What's this? No, I guess he likes the Doritos better. Oh no, you're gonna grab it. Like, oh fuck yeah.
Like a little burglar.
That's what they say. I think they look like little thieves. They got that white around their face and black around their eyes, like the little cat burglars.
You're so cute. You're big. A little space friend, everybody. He comes to visit. It's Daddy's house.
Our neighborhood burglar.
That stinks. No, he's cute. Look at me, girl. So they look like cats. That's what they are.
Yeah, in a weird way, yeah. But it came out to enjoy the midnight snack I gave it.
I zoomed in.
The Doritos, chips. Really liking that graham cracker.
Oh, he's adorable. Let's name you Ralph. That's a good name, Ralph.
What are you talking about? That's Rocket Raccoon.
Wait, Ralph Rocket Raccoon?
No, that's Rocket Raccoon from Guardians of the Galaxy right there.
No, Ralph.
He's undercover right now. He's hiding from the Interstellar Police. Yeah.
I mean, on my old channel, guys, we found turtles and tadpoles and snake. I want to say my old channel because I want my old subscribers back. Maybe because I have 2 friends that did it, so maybe I should just tell them what it was, and you guys can come back to me.
You want?
It's killing me.
You want? It's your choice.
Well, I don't do Well, I don't do nothing bad, and there's a lot of us in our community, so whatever. But
I'll watch the movie now.
in a minute.
I know it was Princess something. I don't remember. What? 12 Little Princess? That was your channel, 12 Little Princess? Oh, there you go. Okay, here you go.
You say it, Daddy.
I just said it twice.
And
what? Like, that was your old channel? I think they understand it by now.
no,
But
they shouldn't.
this is your new one. Yeah.
And they
Well,
should.
if they want to show their love and support, yeah, they can subscribe to the new one.
Yay!
Yes, it
thank you.
won't be the same kind of content because YouTube's picky as hell and people complain about the dumbest shit. So we kind of very
Yeah, I'm starting
specific
over,
things.
guys.
Very-
If anyone
very
would subscribe to me as 12 Little Princess, I had beautiful, happy, supportive abdl and ddlg subscribers, 675 of you. I love you all very much. That you guys subscribe to my old channel as 12 Little Princess. If you want to subscribe to me on here, please do, and it would help me out a lot, and I love you guys so much. And different adventures and different stuff, so mostly abdl and ddlg I'm doing only on this channel, so yep.
I'll let Rocket Raccoon or
Ralph.
whatever.
His name is Ralph.
Or what about her name? Maybe it's Rachel.
Rebecca.
Whatever. Let's just eat the raccoon eating privacy before we freak it out.